Hello everyone, welcome to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have a plus a divided by a is equals to a, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here first we need to little bit simplification of the given equation, and we write our given equation into the simplified form. For this you see here this a and this a are cancelled out by each other, and when we cancelled both of these two terms, we will get here plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step here, I can first give the reason why we solve this problem for two methods. So here, if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the value of a. So if you see directly, you cannot easily get the value of k. So in order to find the value of a, I can give the smart techniques in the first method. But if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the solution set of this problem, in that case you directly move toward the second method. But both of these two methods are valid to solve this problem. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here in the next step we take a squaring on both of the sides in order to find the values of a. And further in the next step we move the a square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes a plus 1 whole square minus a square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So according to this, we just use this formula, and after applying this formula we write our above equation as first you have x minus y, the value of x is a plus 1 minus the value of y is a into, again we have the value of x is a plus 1 and plus the value of y is a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. This is the negative a, this is the positive a, are cancelled out by each other, and here we get 1 only into, here we add both of these two values and we get 2a plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as 2a plus 1 equals to 0. And here we need to move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2a is equals to minus 1. So here our target is to find the value of a. For this we need to remove this 2 from left hand side. So in order to remove this 2, we will divide both of the sides by 2, and when we divide by 2 it will becomes here 2a divided by 2 equals minus 1 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here our a is equals to minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of a which we get here in this method. So here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of a be the solution, or is this value of a be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is a plus a divided by a is equals to a. So here we substitute the value of a on both of the sides and we check its behavior, and when we put it here it will becomes minus 1 divided by 2 plus this a and a are gone, and we get here 1 is equals to minus 1 divided by 2. So here in order to verify that both of the sides are equal or not, here we need to multiply both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms. So when we multiply this term by 2, it will be written as 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Okay, in this way we multiply all of these values. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here minus 1 plus 2 times 1 becomes 2, and this 2 and this 2 are also gone, and we get here minus 1. Further in the next step you see here we have minus 1 plus 2 becomes here plus 1 equals to minus 1, and you see here This is the positive one, this is the negative one, both are not equal. So if both are not equal, this means that the value of a is equals to minus 1 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we conclude about a equals to minus 1 over 2 is that it is the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And we finally conclude about the solution set of this problem is that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement here. And the given question statement is a plus a divided by a is equals to a. So here we use another technique to determine about the solution set of this problem. And here first you see that this a and a are gone. So after cancellation of these terms, we obtain a plus 1 is equals to a. And further here we move this a to the right hand side and we obtain our 1 is equals to a minus a. This is negative term and positive term are gone and we get here 1 is equals to 0. And you see here 1 is not equals to 0 in general. So this means that in the second method we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general. This is our final answer and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting and interesting videos.